Kwa ihinda mĩario ya atongoria kĩama-inĩ kĩa ODM nĩkoretwo ĩkĩonania kwaga kuonania ruheni hoka nĩ ũnyitanĩri na thirikari ya President William Ruto. Gavana wa SIAYA James Orengo ategũtukania mĩario yake, akiuga President Ruto nĩwe ũrabatara kĩama kĩa ODM na ti kĩama gĩkĩ kĩrabatara Ruto, tondũ atongoria amwe kĩama-inĩ gĩkĩ makoretwo makĩgeria kuonania.
And now as we speak, I dare say Ruto needs ODM. It's not ODM that needs Ruto. Sijui mnanisikia? There are people in the party. They are behaving as if ODM is the one that needs Ruto.
Igongona-inĩ rĩa gũkũngũĩra mĩaka 20 ya ũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha, ORENGO NIOKIRIIRE atongoria arĩa maratindĩkĩrĩria mĩario ya gũkorwo thirikari-inĩ ya Ruto ona thutha wa mwaka wa 2027 agĩkinyĩrĩria kĩbarũa kĩao kĩnene nĩ gũtetera mũingĩ.
Kuna wana ODM wanaanza kusema we will be in government or we form the next government. In the world of politics, you better decide what you want. You cannot go around the country telling wananchi that we'll either be in government or be part of the government. A strong party like ODM must be sure of what we want.
MBICA wa EALA WINNIE ODINGA NIAHETE MUKANA atongoria arĩa marageria kũgayũkania kĩama gĩkĩ na kũrehe njatũkano, akiuga mageria mao matigũkorwo na umithio.
Nasikia kuna wengine ambao wanatembea nasi mchana lakini usiku wanajaribu kuuza hii chama. Haiwezekani. ODM was not born in a bedroom. It was not made in a bedroom. So its future will not be discussed as pillow talk. It has been the heartbeat of the Kenyan people for 20 years. ODM was born from protest. It was raised in resistance. And the people of ODM have time and time again bled, sweat, and shed tears for this country called Kenya. We are sorry that we don't always get it right. Poleni. But we will never be sorry for being inconvenient.
Amesema hajasema. Wanasema yule mwenye masikio nataka mrudie nyuma yangu. ODM is not for sale. ODM is not for
mambura ma gũkũngũĩra mĩaka 20 ya kĩama gĩkĩ megũthiĩ na mbere nginya tarĩki 16 mweri ũyũ. President William Ruto agĩtanywo gwĩkinyia ũmwe wa mĩthenya ĩno ta ũmwe wa ambĩrĩria kĩama gĩkĩ.